mermaid. Hi, I'm Melody, and Talis asked me to do another repurposing project because she really loved the one that we made for you the other day. So I found some examples of how to make a bird feeder super easy with stuff that you would probably just throw away. And one is the end of toilet paper or paper towels. So you get the roll and you put a piece of string around it. Another one is with a pine cone and an orange. So I'm going to start with the toilet paper holder. For this, you're going to need a spatula and some peanut butter. So just going to take peanut butter and put it all over the toilet paper roll. Make it super smooth, easy. It's almost like frosting a cake. This is actually the first time I tried this, so I'm seeing how it's going to work along with you at the same time. Oh, it's super easy. It's so much fun. It's just like decorating a cake. I didn't think it'd be this easy, but it's really easy. So these are all things that you have around the house and you can have fun with. Okay, so I'm going to put this here. So we got the peanut butter on the toilet paper, and you just roll it in the bird seeds that I have here. Just roll it, roll it, roll it. Make sure it's sort of like topping an ice cream cone. It's super fun. Oh my gosh, it's like decorating a cake. This is so cute. Oh my god, look how cute that is. And then you just put this on a branch, on a tree, you know, maybe the one that's outside a window or right by your door, so you can always see the birds when you're coming and going. And this makes a really nice gift for someone who likes birding, or a school teacher or a neighbor, you know, that maybe was sick or doesn't have too many friends coming by. This is a really nice gift. So we got one right there. Now we're going to do a pine cone. I'm going to do the same thing, just put the peanut butter all over it as much as you want and just dip it. This is like dipping an ice cream cone into sprinkles. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. These are great gifts to someone. So now I'm just going to take some string, and then I'm going to put it around the pine cone. This is more like ribbon. String will probably be way easier. And tie a knot. String would be way easier. I don't have any string. I just had some ribbon left over, so I use that. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, is that not cute? And then you can just tie it here, and again, put it on a hook or on a vine or a branch. And there you go. Look how cute that is. And we can also use fruit. And I looked up if birds can eat fruit, and most fruits they can eat. I was one thing that I forgot what they couldn't eat, but most fruits are good, like oranges, apples, cranberries, raspberries, and birds love this. So you just put it, you know, cut it in half. And look at that. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. So I'm going to try one with just the seeds, and then one with the peanut butter and the seeds. And let's see which one works better. Okay, got that done. And just, it's like decorating cakes. It's so much fun. So let's see. You probably get more seeds on the one with the peanut butter. That's this one. Okay, now I'm going to try to make a hole right there, and then put the string through it. I'm going to use this knife to push it through. There it goes. It went right through. I'm just doing this for the first time, so it's really easy to do. And make a knot right there, so you can put it on a branch. Make sure you have enough room to put a loop around it and to hang somewhere. If you're on the hook, or you'll find a place to find it to hang. It'll be really easy. And you'll see so many birds coming to your house, and they'll just love it. Okay, and then cut the string. Look how cute that is. And this might be a good way to have like a little business going. You can make these really cute little ornaments and maybe sell them at a flea market, or maybe it could be a school project you could tell your teacher about. But that is so cute. That I would love if someone gave me a gift like that, especially if it's homemade. So super, super easy. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you start making some crafts at home and maybe starting a business. You never know. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye. And be creative and be expressive and be you. That's right. You. Have an awesome day. So I just put the newly decorated bird feeders up. Here's the pine cone right here. Right there. It looks so cute. And this is the toilet paper right here. Just have it hanging down. It looks so cute. Look how cute that looks. I love that. So cute. And then I put one right here. There you go. And then the fourth one I put outside. So when I come home, I can see birds right by my door. So here's the fourth one right here. This one I had to use a hook too. So doesn't it look cute? Oh, I can't wait to see the birds. And I hope you have a creative and imaginative day today with lots of bird sightings. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye. So I just put the newly decorated bird feeders up. Here's the pine cone right here. Right there. It looks so cute. And this is the toilet paper right here. Just have it hanging down. It looks so cute. Look how cute that looks. I love that. So cute. And then I put one right here. There you go. And then the fourth one I put outside. So when I come home, I can see birds right by my door. So here's the fourth one right here. This one I had to use a hook too. So doesn't it look cute? Oh, I can't wait to see the birds. And I hope you have a creative and imaginative day today with lots of bird sightings. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.